So you want to get your finances in order, right? But that big idea can feel kind of fuzzy. Well, today we're going to make it sharp. We're turning that ambition into a step-by-step, month-by-month plan to actually build wealth in 2026.
No, really, just take a second and actually picture it. What does it look like? Is there less debt hanging over your head? A bigger savings account? Have you finally actually started investing? Getting that clear picture in your head, that is the most important first step.
And hey, if any of these sound familiar, well, you are definitely not alone. These are the biggest financial goals for pretty much everyone heading into 2026, and today we're laying out the exact roadmap to make them happen.
All right, so here's the game plan. We'll start with that big picture goal. Then we'll break the year down, quarter by quarter, into super manageable action plans. And then, at the very end, we'll talk about the secret sauce to making sure you stick with it.
You can think of this whole checklist as a bridge, right? It connects that big, ambitious goal you just imagined with the small, simple actions that are actually going to get you there. It's about finally moving from just wishing to actually doing.
Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty. First up, quarter one, our first 90-day sprint. I'm not kidding when I say everything we do for the rest of the year builds on getting this part right. This is where we lay the foundation. You've got 3 critical missions for these first few months. 1. Create a budget. You got to know where your money is going. 2. Start a small emergency fund. This is your safety net. And 3. Pick one high-interest debt, like that pesky credit card, and focus all your extra firepower on it. This quarter is all about gaining control.
An emergency fund, I mean, the name says it all, right? But it's more than just cash. It's your financial shock absorber. It's what stops a flat tire or an unexpected bill from blowing up your entire plan. This isn't an investment, it's insurance.
And here it is, your first big target, $1,000. That's it. It's a real, tangible number that you can absolutely hit. And trust me, getting that first $1,000 saved is a massive psychological win.
Okay, foundation's in place. Now for quarter 2, we're going to build on that success. It's all about creating momentum and, even better, making our progress automatic. It's time to really pick up the pace.
Job number 1, put it on autopilot. Set up automatic transfers to your savings so you're building wealth without even thinking about it. Next, we attack that debt we targeted with the goal of crushing that first $1,000. And finally, it's time to learn. You don't have to invest yet. Just start doing some research into things like a Roth IRA. And that right there, that's your next huge milestone. I mean, actually seeing $1,000 wiped off that debt, that feeling is a game changer. It's the proof you need that this whole plan is working.
All right, we are halfway through the year, and this is where things get really exciting. In quarter 3, we're shifting from playing defense, saving and paying down debt, to playing offense. It's time to start activating your wealth.
Remember all that research you did last quarter? Well, now it's go time. Step 1 is to actually open that Roth IRA. Step 2, start small. Just $100 a month is all it takes to kickstart the magic of compounding. And while that's happening, we keep the pressure on our debt, aiming for another $2,500 gone.
So this Roth IRA thing, what is it exactly? Well, think of it like a superhero version of an investment account. Its superpower? All the money it earns and all the money you pull out in retirement is 100% tax-free. It's one of the best tools out there, period. And listen, if anyone ever tells you that you need a ton of cash to be an investor, they are just plain wrong. $100 a month? That's your ticket into the game. It's not about the amount you start with. It's about starting the habit of investing consistently.
We are in the home stretch. Quarter 4 is all about bringing it home, celebrating how far you've come, and using that momentum to set yourself up for an even better year next year. Let's finish strong. So 4 final steps to lock in your success for the year. First, take a moment and review your progress. Seriously, look at how far you've come. Then, see if you can bump up that investment, even by just a little bit. Push hard to hit that $5,000 total debt payoff goal. And finally, start dreaming up your goals for 2027.
Just stop and think about that number for a second. $5,000. In just 1 year, you'll have knocked out that much high-interest debt. If that doesn't show you the power of a consistent plan, I don't know what will.
Okay, so we have the plan. We know what to do. But how do we actually stick with it? When life gets crazy? Let's talk about the one single thing that separates success from failure here.
And this, right here, is the absolute key. Without tracking your progress, you're basically just hoping for the best, right? But when you track your numbers, your savings balance, your debt going down, hope gets replaced by a real, solid strategy. You see what's working.
And look, this isn't just some motivational quote. The data is crystal clear. People who actively track their progress are way, way more likely to actually hit their goals than people who don't. It's like a cheat code for success.
And the best part? This doesn't have to be some big, complicated thing. You can use an app, a simple spreadsheet, or literally just a 15-minute check-in with yourself every week. Or hey, tell a friend your goals. That accountability is powerful stuff.
Okay, your turn. I want you to make a commitment right now. Those Q1 goals, the budget, the emergency fund, the debt target, which one are you going to tackle first? Drop it in the comments below. Let's make it real.
Look, don't let this just be another thing you watched online. I want you to actually use it. Print this checklist out, stick it on your fridge, your mirror, wherever, and take that very first tiny step today. Seriously, the future you from December 2026 is going to be so glad you did.